खुशामदीद स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। चूँकि जेनेटिक्स चैप्टर परान 12th क्लासुक आज करो ब्याख क्वेश्चन, दैट इज why Mendel select garden pea as his experimental plant. मेंडलन क्या कोर यह प्लांट सिलेक्ट एज हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट प्लांट, वजह क्या उस कम वजहन की बेस पे कोर यह प्लांट सिलेक्ट एज हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट प्लांट। आज करो यह जान कोशिश। गो इस पी प्लांट ये मे ऑलरेडी नाव वो पाइसन सटेवम। आज करो ये जान कोशिश कि पी प्लांटुक इस फ्लावर अत मज कम फीचर अत प्लांट्स मज कम फीचर यमन फीचर की बेस पे मेंडल कोर यह प्लांट एज हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट प्लांट। दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन व्हाई मेंडल selected this plant, that is pea plant, as his experimental plant. Experimental plant. Answer shot. क्या सिफात क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स मेंडल वुचान अथ प्लांट्स मजन यम फीचर्स इनटू कंसिडरेशन थवान मेंडल तो करान प्लांट सिलेक्ट एज हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट प्लांट। गोडनुक फीचर क्या दैट इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग फीचर्स। प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग फीचर्स। That means some plants are exceptionally tall, while some are exceptionally dwarf. These are discrete and well-defined contrasting features. Similarly, we have pink flowers versus white flowers. Contrasting features of the same character, that is flower color. Contrasting feature of the same character, that is plant height. Similarly, in case of seed shape, you have rounded versus wrinkled. These are contrasting features of the same character, that is seed form or seed shape. And on the basis of presence of these contrasting features, how many features Mendel? I have already told you that Mendel selected 7 contrasting features in this garden pea. I have already discussed about these 7 contrasting features. Then second reason is presence of bisexual flowers. That means hermaphrodite flowers. A hermaphrodite flower means a flower bearing both sex organs. That means androecium as well as gynoecium, which means that it contains both stamens as well as carpels. In a single flower, bisexual, perfect flower. And today, inshallah, practically I will show you the flower of a pea plant. This is a plant of a, this is pea plant. This plant is having number of flowers. Some are at the terminal position, some are at the axillary position, and there is a special feature in the flower of this plant, that is it is having three types of petals. It is having three types of petals. One large petal, I will show you one large petal, that's called standard. Surrounded by two wings, surrounded by one wing here, one wing here, surrounded by two wings, and inner two wings you have under called as inner two one, it's called as keel. It's called as keel. That means there are three petals, one standard, two wings, and keel. These three petals, they cover the reproductive parts. They cover androecium as well as gynoecium completely. Which means that there is 100% chances of self-pollination. Because a flower, that means petals open when pollination as well as fertilization have already taken place, which means that there is complete chance of self-pollination. There is no chance of cross-pollination. But the structure of flower is such that we can go for cross-pollination also. That I have already discussed you that artificial cross-pollination, we can remove these anthers or stamens before their maturity through a technique that's called as emasculation. Yet much is flower chasan. At flowers much chasan. These are sepals. I will show you. These are sepals, green leaf-like structures. These are sepals, and in case of this pea flower is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sepals, green sepals. And inner two sepals chasan, now white, we call them as petals. The petals chasan, three qismi. Ak chasan, bird petal, like this I will show you. It's a flower of pea plant. It's having a stalk called as pedicel, and at the top of pedicel you have a thalamus or flower base. Then sepals, there are 5 sepals in this pea plant, pea flower, and inner to sepals you have white petals, and white petals consist of 3. You have a larger one called as, this is larger one called as standard. This one is standard, like this. This one is standard. It is followed by 2 wings on either side, like this. 1 wing on either side, like this. This is 1 wing on either side. Second, back wing chasan B side, like this. This other wing. These are 2 wings. And inner two wings, you have an under petal that form a tube-like structure around the reproductive parts, that is stamina corpus. And that third one, this one, which completely enclose the reproductive parts, this one is called as keel or carina. 3 petals. Inner 2 petals you have This is the male reproductive part called as androecium, and in this flower there is a special feature of stamens that's called as, in case of pea plant, stamens are diadelphous, diadelphous, Adelphous, Diadelphous. Diadelphous means stamens are in two groups. Di means two. They are in two groups. One group contain 9 stamens plus another group contain there is a single stamen, and this 9 plus 1 arrangement is called as diadelphous, and this is the feature that is characteristic in case of family Fabaceae. Fabaceae is a family, earth family which belong karan this Pisum sativum. A family feature of family feature of that is diadelphous stamens. That is, stamens are in two groups. Now, I will show you these 9 and 1 like this. In this case, you have a stamen, you have a single stamen here, one stamen, and another group that consists of like this, that consists of 9 stamens. This is 9, one group, and this is one, another group. This is a single stamen, 9 stamens together. This is 9 plus 1 arrangement. It's called diadelphous. And chunki nom stamen asan, bilkul. This is the carpel. This is ovary part. You have a style, and it's at the tip. You have stigma. It is sticky. And chunki yatma petals close kari here, that means there is 100% chance of self-pollination or autogamy, wherein pollen grains are transferred from stamens onto stigma of the same flower. ये feature खास feature वुशित को Mendel ये plant select as his experimental plant. मगर अच्छा को at times with the help of artificial cross pollination अच्छा को नम stamens अच्छा को नम petals बोंठी चटित तम पत नम stamens with the help of scissor बोंठी remove करित before there like this. अच्छा को बोंठी remove करित with the help of forceps, not with fingers, with forceps. पता है वो स्टिग्मा as such थे, पर थोड़ा ध्यान थाउन स्टिग्मा गसन डैमेज गसन क्या, स्टिग्मा गसन डैमेज गसन क्या, कार्बल गसन डैमेज गसन क्या. That's why as no forceps, with the help of forceps, we collect pollen grains and dust them over the stigma like this, so as to carry cross pollination from the desired plant. For example, as already I have told you about tall and dwarf. We take the pollen grains of tall plant and dust them over the stigma of dwarf. Similarly, we take the pollen grains of pea plant, of pink flower, and dust them over the white flower. Similarly, we take the pollen grains from plants having rounded seeds and dust them over plants having wrinkled seeds. In this case, we carry cross pollination. This is the most important reason that Mendel selected this plant as his experimental plant. Third reason, because of short life cycle. Since pea plant is an annual plant, it completes its life cycle in just a single season. It is one life cycle अक्सी season मस complete करा. अमे लोगो अमे वरी छे seeds लागान, अमे वरी छे seeds harvest करान. तो चूंकि अच्छी जल्दी जनरेशन बनान, that's why अमे मुझे कोर Mendel select ये. ब्याक feature क्या छु? ब्याक feature छु कि seed output छु वारिया ज़रा आसान. Large seed output. अगर जनरेशन में छु वारिया ज़्यादा seeds दिवान, यम से result ड्रा करने पर वारिया सोले च गसान. तो result छु सही यवान. we can also make correct conclusion by taking large amount of seeds into consideration. ब्याक चूंकि अथ गार्डन मज मिनरल रोजान अथ मोनस्ट्री मज मिनरल रोजान अत पी प्लांट ग्रो गसान. It is very easy to be raised, handled, ये रेज करुन हैंडल करुन ये संभालन सहल गसान. अत खाद हज पे ज्यादा जरूरत कहें बिकॉज तुम ऑलरेडी पता इन केस ऑफ पी प्लांट अत रूटन मज रूट नॉड्यूल्स यम राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया. That bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen, soil atmospheric nitrogen, and can convert them into ammonia. Ammonia is the form of nitrogen which can be easily taken up by the plant as a source of nitrogen. Yum plant use for crop rotation because of their nitrogen fixing capability. So yum kya reasons yum mujub man kori plant as his experimental plant. Bih karo कोशिश यह फ्लावर फ्लावर जान बी वन बह थोड़ा बहुत पी प्लांट फ्लावर यह बाइसेक्चुअल हर्मोफ्रोडाइट अत सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन गई ज्यादा चांसेस मगर हेको क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन कर with the help of emasculation, tagging and bagging experiment and bagging techniques. तो यह प्लांट यम करेक्टर कंसिडरेशन कंसिडर करित कोर मैडलन यह प्लांट सिलेक्ट एज हिज एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्लांट. इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद तुम क्वेश्चन समझ आमुत तुम थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर फिगर तोरमुत तो पी प्लांट क्या कोर मैडलन सिलेक्ट तुम थोड़ा बहुत अत मुतलिक आमुत इंशाल्लाह समझ. इंशाल्लाह ब्रोह करो बी कोशिश अम खुद ठीक पे हेचन ठीक पे अंडरस्टैंड कर तीस काल दी इजाजत बी खुदायस हवाल. अल्लाह हाफिज.